Hi, this is Lakmi Narayan, and this is my father P. Venugopal Patru. We have come all the way from Baramur, Orissa, and we got to know from word of mouth from that Apollo Hospital is a good hospital for orthopedic surgeries. So as my father was having knee pains on both the sides, so we consulted with Dr. Balavardhan Reddy, and he suggested us what are the surgery procedures which needs to be performed and what would be the post-surgery status. So we underwent a surgery, and then it's been 6 months now. The surgery has been well, and my father is able to walk freely without any of the pains. As we got admitted in the Apollo Hospital, so we love the facilities and the feedback which has been taken on, and also on the medication. So we recommend others as well. If there is anyone who is proposing looking for knee replacement, please consult with Dr. Balvardhan. For that, we thank Apollo Hospitals and Dr. Balvardhan for it. Thank you.